Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your one-stop shop for all things interior and exterior design. Today, we're venturing outdoors to a space often overlooked, the shade garden design ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Fear not, fellow design enthusiasts. Because even without direct sunlight, you can cultivate a thriving and visually stunning haven. Let's begin by defining shade garden design. Simply put, it's the art of creating a beautiful and functional garden in areas with limited sunlight. Shade can range from dappled light filtering through leaves to areas with minimal direct sun exposure. Understanding the type of shade you have is crucial, as different plants thrive in varying light conditions. Now, you might be wondering, why choose a shade garden? Well, the benefits are plentiful. Here are some of the benefits of shade garden design. First, cooler microclimate. Shade gardens offer a welcome respite from the scorching sun, creating a comfortable outdoor space to relax and enjoy the fresh air. Second, year-round interest. Shade gardens boast a unique selection of plants with stunning foliage textures and colors that thrive throughout the seasons. Third, low maintenance. Many shade-loving plants require less watering and sunlight compared to their sun-worshipping counterparts, making them ideal for busy homeowners. Fourth, water conservation. Shade naturally retains moisture in the soil, reducing the need for frequent watering, especially beneficial in drought-prone areas. Creating a shade garden is an exciting design adventure. Here's a roadmap to guide you for creating amazing shade garden design. First, assess your shade. Identify the type of shade you have, full, partial, or dappled. Observing sunlight patterns throughout the day is key. Second, plan your layout. Sketch a rough outline of your garden, incorporating existing features like trees and pathways. Consider creating a focal point, such as a bird bath or a small water feature. Third, choose your plants. Select a variety of plants with different heights, textures, and colors for visual interest. Opt for shade-loving varieties like ferns, hostas, hellebores, and coral bells. Remember, some plants tolerate lower light conditions better than others. Fourth, soil preparation. Amend your soil with organic matter to improve drainage and nutrient content. Shade gardens tend to retain moisture, so good drainage is crucial. Fifth, planting and maintenance. Follow proper planting techniques for your chosen plants and provide regular watering, especially during the first growing season. Mulch around your plants to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Now, let's delve into some inspirational ideas to transform your shade garden into a masterpiece. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best shade garden design ideas. 1. Create a winding path. A winding path invites exploration and adds a sense of mystery to your garden. Use natural materials like stone or gravel for a timeless look. 2. Introduce water features. The gentle sound of trickling water adds a calming ambience and attracts birds to your haven. 3. Incorporate seating. Create a designated space to relax and enjoy the serenity of your shade garden. A cozy bench or hammock nestled amongst the foliage is perfect for quiet contemplation. 4. Layer different heights. Utilize plants with varying heights to create a layered effect and visual dimension. Tall ferns at the back, followed by medium-sized hostas, and low-growing ground covers add depth to the space. 5. Play with textures. Combine plants with contrasting foliage textures like smooth hosta leaves with feathery ferns for a captivating visual experience. 6. Embrace bold foliage. Shade gardens are all about foliage. Don't shy away from bold-colored leaves like burgundy heuchera or variegated hostas to add pops of color. 7. Light it up. While sunlight might be limited, consider strategically placed outdoor lighting to illuminate your garden in the evenings and create a magical ambience. 8. Add vertical interest. Don't forget to utilize vertical space. Climbing vines on trellises or hanging baskets with cascading plants add another dimension. 9. Go moonlit. Moonlight can cast an ethereal glow on your shade garden. Light-colored pebbles or mulch can reflect moonlight and create a magical nighttime ambience. 10. Incorporate natural materials. Natural materials like wood, stone, and clay pots add a sense of harmony and blend seamlessly with the surrounding shade. Now that you're armed with design ideas, let's explore some fantastic plant choices for your shade haven. 1. Ferns. A classic shade garden staple, ferns offer a variety of textures and sizes, from delicate maidenhair ferns to majestic ostrich ferns. 2. Hostas. These shade-loving perennials come in a dazzling array of colors and sizes, with stunning variegated foliage that adds a pop of color. 3. Heucheras, coral bells. These low-growing beauties boast colorful foliage in shades of burgundy, chartreuse, and even black, adding year-round interest. 4. Astilbes. Known for their feathery plumes in pink, white, and lavender, astilbes provide a touch of elegance and bloom in the late spring and early summer. 5. Begonias. Shade-tolerant begonias offer vibrant blooms in pink, red, and white, adding a touch of cheer to your garden. 6. Impatiens. A reliable choice for beginners, impatiens come in a vast array of colors and require minimal maintenance, making them perfect for adding bursts of color. 7. Columbines. These delicate flowering plants with nodding blooms in shades of blue, purple, and white add a touch of whimsy to your shade garden. 8. Japanese painted ferns. These captivating ferns boast stunning silvery white fronds with green veins, creating a mesmerizing effect. 9. Lenten roses, hellebores. These winter bloomers offer beautiful cup-shaped flowers in shades of white, pink, and purple, adding a touch of cheer during the colder months. 10. Bleeding hearts. With their heart-shaped pink or white flowers dangling from arching stems, bleeding hearts add a touch of romance to your shade haven. So, there you have it. With a little planning and these helpful tips, you can transform your shady corner into a thriving and visually stunning oasis. Remember, shade gardens offer a unique opportunity to create a cool, peaceful, and low-maintenance retreat in your own backyard. Head over to the comments section below and share your shade garden design ideas or questions. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiring design tips and tricks for your home and garden. Until next time, happy designing! Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.